Allah said, there are those who are selling the misguidance in exchange with guidance. فَمَا رَبِحَتْ تِجَارَتُهُمْ, so not benefiting their trade. وَمَا كَانُوا مُهْتَدِينَ, and they will not be guided. So you are buying from some of your scholars who are giving you the misguidance in exchange with your money, or in exchange to give you the guidance, they are giving you misguidance. You are loser. You are getting a very bad trade. And they are also getting a very bad trade, because they will be going in the hellfire. To give you in exchange of guidance, they are giving you the misguidance. So don't look the misguidance from the people, and you can be only saved from those people if you know the Quran by yourself. You need to understand the Quran in Arabic words, so no one can fool you. This is the meaning of the Quran, follow me. You don't know yourself, how you are sure that this person is telling you right? So you should understand the Quran, at least basic, so no one can misguide you in exchange with guidance. So that's a very important message related to the Quran. Try to learn the meaning of Quran. That's verse number 16. وَمَا كَانُوا مُهْتَدِينَ, and they will not be guided. So if you really wanted to get it, and you want to follow some scholars, they might be misguiding you. You don't know, because you don't understand the Quran by yourself. He's teaching you something against the Quran, and he's telling you that is the Quran. So he's making you fool. What's important? Every person should understand the Quran. Why the Christians, they just depend on the translation? Because they don't have the original manuscript, which is in Hebrew or in Aramaic. The language of Moses was, Abraham was Hebrew. The language of Jesus was Aramaic, similar. Arabic is similar. But the Quran, we have original manuscript, Arabic. You can read Arabic and you will see this scholar is fooling you, misguiding you, and this scholar is guiding you. So I should follow this and I should not follow this.